Hello students, again we are in exercise 2.6 NCERT of class 8 linear equation in one way. Here again we have to solve the solve for x, solve for according to question we have to solve for variables. Clear? So this is again linear equation but not given in proper in general form. So first of all we have to convert the given equation in general form, then after we have to solve. Here we observe it is given in fraction. So first of all we have to cross multiply. If you multiply it by 1 you will get the same one. If you multiply by 2 it becomes 6x. Now bring 6x here means you transpose 6x this side, it becomes minus because here is plus, and transpose 3 this side. If this will be coming this side means being transposed this side, here will be left 0. Here minus 3, if it is transposed this side it becomes 3. Now subtract 2x is equal to 0 plus 3, 3. Therefore x is equal to 3 upon 2. This is the solution of the given equation. Same question in fraction you have to multiply. Here by 1 you will multiply, it becomes 9x. Now multiply by 15, put the bracket. If you are not able to direct multiply, what you will do? Open the bracket. 15 6 are 90, 15 7 are 105, then 15 6 are 90x. 90 minus 90 x will be transposed this side, means left side, it becomes plus, and then 105. 90x plus 9x means this coefficient and this coefficient will be added together, it becomes 99x, and here will be 105. 99 is multiplying, after transformation it will divide. 105 upon 99. You can divide it by 3. Test of divinity by 3. 3 3 are 9, 3 5 are 50, 3 3 are 3 3 are. The answer will be 35 upon 33. I hope you are getting it how to solve. Again same procedure you have to follow. You have to follow cross multiply. Cross multiplication it is said. So this 9 will multiply in z, 9z. This 4 will multiply in this denominator. Next step. Now open the bracket. 4z, 15 4 is 60. Now transpose 4z this side, 60. Then 9 minus 4 coefficient will be subtracted from right term or right. So 5z is equal to 60. Therefore z is equal to 60 upon 5. 5 12. It means z is equal to 12. Again here you see the fraction. You have to cross multiply. See. Firstly this numerator, second denominator. 5 will be written first. 3y plus 4. Now minus 2. 2 into minus 6y. 5 3 is 15y. 5 4 is 20. Minus 4 plus 12y. 15y. 12y is plus here, this side it becomes minus. Minus 4. Here plus 20 constant, that side if you transpose, it becomes minus 20. Now subtract coefficient 15 minus 12, 3y. And here add, both are in same sign, 24. 3 is multiplying here, after transformation it will divide. 8 jar. Therefore y is equal to minus 8. Again the same question, you have to cross multiply. This 3 will multiply here, 7y plus 4. This minus 4 will multiply with denominator, first denominator, minus 4, y plus 2. Now 3 into 7, 21, y, 3 4 are 12, minus 4y, minus 8. See, 21y and here minus 4y is like term, brought together. For that you have to do transposition. So this will be plus 4y. Here minus 8 is left, here 12 is plus. If you transpose, it becomes minus. You observe these are in same sign, add them 25 y. Again like term, add them 20. Y minus 20 upon 25. Cancel it 5 ja 4 ja. Therefore y is equal to minus 4 upon 5. So only two word problem in this last exercise is given. I am going to solve. See. The ages of Harry and Harry are in the ratio 5:7. There are two friends, Harry and Harry, whose ages are in ratio. Ratio is the simplest form of two quantity. Two quantity in same units. The year ages are counted in years. So Harry and Harry ages are in ratio 5:7. 4 years from now, the ratio is 3:4. So find their present age. Let on the basis of ratio, we will assume the ages of Hari and Harry. Let Hari's apostrophe s and Harry's present age be on the basis of ratio 5:7. It means 5x years and 7x years respectively. Means since 5:7 given, it means 5 stands for Hari and 7 stands for Harry. So on the basis of that, I have assumed their present ages. After 4 years, Hari will be 5x plus 4 years old and Harry will be Harry's present is 7x, the 7x plus 4, because after 4 years both will be increased by 4. According to question, Hari age is this, Harry age is this, and their given ratio is 3:4. Now ratio has been changed. It is just like question number 5 I have just solved. You have to follow the cross multiplication. 4 will multiply 5x plus 4. 3 will multiply in first denominator 7x plus 4. 5 4 ja 20x 16. Now 21x plus 12. 21x will be transposed here, it becomes minus 21x. Here 12 is left, 16 will be transposed this side, it becomes minus 16. So minus x is equal to minus 4, minus will be cancelled, x equal to 4. The x is the common in both, because here is again x is written, here x is written, but we have to find their percentage. Hence Hari's present is 5x is equal to 5 into 4 is equal to 20 years, and Harry's present is 7x, 7 into 4, what will be 28 years. Now last question of this exercise. The denominator of a rational number is greater than its numerator by 8. numerator and denominator are related to each other, and question is stating that denominator of the given rational number is 8 more than its numerator. So which one is smaller? Numerator. So first of all, we will assume numerator. So in question number 7, let the numerator of the given rational number be x. We have supposed that numerator is x. The condition is saying denominator is 8 more, means denominator of a rational number is greater than its numerator by 8. Then the denominator will be x plus 8. Therefore, the required rational number will be, and if you study in first chapter, rational number is in the form of p by q. P means numerator and q means denominator. So here numerator is x and denominator is x plus 8. It will be our rational number. Now read the question. Whenever you are facing word problem, read the question part by part, try to understand the meaning, then after frame the equation, then solve it. It will be easier. Read the question twice, thrice, till the condition is not you are able to get, you are able to understand. Till now you have to study by part and part. Now come, if the numerator is increased by 70, according to question, numerator is increased by 70 and denominator is decreased by, denominator is x plus 8 and decreased by 1, then rational number becomes 3 by 2. 3 by 2. Now we have to follow how to solve. Firstly, here you observe like term, solve it, then you use cross multiply. These two will multiply. These three will multiply this side. Now open the bracket. Now 2x is here, 3x will be transposed here, minus 3x, minus x, minus 30. The x is the numerator, but we have to find rational number. Hence, the required rational number is, what is required rational number? This one, x plus x 8, x is 13, 13 plus 8, 13 by 21. I hope you are getting, and I have done for your help. You have to try by yours. First of all, you see the video once, and then after you try by yours.